In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with Microsoft Outlook. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the Outlook add-in for Jira set up from the Jira side, so you can start connecting your emails and your issues much more efficiently. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira Cloud site with an account that has permission to install apps, typically a site admin or Jira admin. Once you're in, start from the main Jira home area, often called the For You page. This is usually where Jira lands you when you sign in, and it contains your personalized overview and navigation sidebar. From here, look over to the main navigation menu, where apps and add-ons are managed. You'll see an option that opens the App Marketplace or App Management area. Click the highlighted Apps or Marketplace icon to open the Atlassian Marketplace inside Jira. This is where we'll find the Outlook integration. Once the Marketplace page loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that highlighted search field. In this field, type a search term related to the integration, such as Outlook or Microsoft Outlook for Jira. As you type, Jira will search the Marketplace for matching apps. You should now see a list of results. Look for the Outlook integration that is designed to work with Jira. When you spot the correct Outlook app in the results, click on the entry that's highlighted. This will open the app's detail page, where you can read more about what it does, check compatibility with your Jira version, and see user reviews. On the app detail page, there will be a button labeled Try It Free. This is the standard way to start a trial for a Marketplace app. Click the Try It Free button. Jira may show you a brief confirmation pop-up explaining that it will begin installing the app on your site. Confirm if prompted, and wait a few moments while the add-in is installed. After the installation completes, Jira will typically refresh or redirect you to a configuration or overview page for the new app. On this screen, you'll see a Review or Manage option. Click on the highlighted Review button. This is where you can double-check that the integration has been added correctly, see its status, and access any setup instructions or links you might need to finalize the connection from the Outlook side. Once you've done that, your Jira instance is ready with the Microsoft Outlook integration enabled, and you can proceed to configure the add-in directly in Outlook if required.